Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be taking a very close look at a specific tool in the Kali Linux ecosystem called Grim. If you have been following the channel, you know we love exploring lightweight, efficient tools for ethical hacking, and Grim fits that description perfectly. Now, before we type a single command into our terminal, we need to address the most important aspect of this tutorial, the ethical and legal boundaries. The content I'm about to show you is strictly for educational purposes. Grim is a powerful information gatherer. It is designed to expose details about a web server that are not immediately visible to the naked eye. You must only use this tool on websites or servers that you own, or where you have explicit written permission to perform a security audit. Scanning a target without permission is illegal. It doesn't matter if you're just looking. Unauthorized reconnaissance is a crime, so please stay safe and stay legal. Let's talk about what Grim actually is. In the cybersecurity lifecycle, everything starts with reconnaissance. You cannot find a vulnerability if you don't know what you are looking at. Grim is an automated information gatherer and vulnerability tester. It is designed to scan a website and scrape all available metadata. This includes things like the server type, the technologies running in the background, potential CMS detection, and other hidden headers that might reveal a weakness. What makes Grim particularly useful for beginners and pros alike is its compatibility. It is built using PHP, which means it is platform agnostic. While we are using Kali Linux today because it is the gold standard for penetration testing, you can run this tool on Parrot OS, Ubuntu, Debian, or essentially any Linux distribution that can run a PHP interpreter. However, because Grim is a script and not a compiled binary, it relies heavily on the environment it runs in. It cannot do its job if your Linux system doesn't speak its language. This is where most people get stuck. They download the tool, try to run it, and get a wall of error messages. We are going to prevent that by manually setting up our dependencies first. We have 3 specific packages to install. Go ahead and open your terminal. The first step is installing the engine itself. We need PHP. In your command line, you're going to type sudo apt-get-install php. Let's break down what is happening here while that installs. Sudo gives you administrative rights. apt-get is your package manager, reaching out to the Linux repositories. By installing PHP, you are giving your operating system the ability to understand and execute the code that Grim is written in. Without this, Grim is just a text file to your computer. Once PHP is installed, we need to add some skills to it. The standard PHP installation is basic, so we need to add modules. The next command is sudo apt-get-install php-xml. This is crucial. Modern websites rely heavily on XML for data structure and configuration. Grim needs to be able to parse or read XML data that it finds during a scan. If you don't install this module, Grim might successfully connect to a website but fail to interpret the data it gets back, leaving you with empty results. The third and final dependency is the bridge between your computer and the internet. Type in sudo apt-get-install php-curl. CURL stands for Client URL. This library allows PHP to send HTTP requests, just like a web browser does. When you run Grim, it uses this library to shake hands with a target website, fetch the HTML, grab the headers, and pull down the information you asked for. It's the engine that drives the actual scanning process. Now that our environment is perfectly set up with PHP, the XML parser, and the curl library, we're ready to actually bring the tool onto our machine. We'll use git for this. Type the following command, git space chlon space https://github.com/nandy-dark/grim.git. Watch the terminal as it reaches out to GitHub and pulls down the repository. It's a small tool, so it should only take a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll have a new directory on your machine. We need to enter that directory to use the tool. Type cd space grim. And now let's verify everything is there. Type ls. You should see a file listed called grim.php. If you see that file, congratulations, you are ready to launch. To run the tool, we combine our PHP interpreter with the script name. Type php space grim.php. As soon as you hit enter, you'll see the Grim banner appear. It will prompt you to enter the target website URL. Once you type that in, Grim takes over. It utilizes those dependencies we installed using curl to fetch the data and XML to parse it, and it will display a comprehensive list of information about the target. You'll see server details, potential vulnerabilities, and the data you need to assess the security of that site. It's a simple but essential tool for your arsenal. Remember, the more information you gather in the beginning, the more successful your security audit will be. That's all for today's walkthrough. You are now fully equipped to install and run Grim on any Linux platform. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next one.